Hello! Today we will learn how to generate Gerber files in KiCad. You need to open the KiCad first. Then open your project folder. After that, you need to go to the PCB editor. Once the PCB is open, click on Plot in the upper left hand side. Now see the plot page is open now. You need to select a folder where you want to save the Gerber files. I am selecting the Gerber folder which I had already created in my project folder. Then you need to select the layers BCU, FCU, FPaste, etc. I have written down the names of the layers below. Please check them. Most of the time these are automatically selected. If not, then you have to select them manually. Then click on the plot option located at the bottom right hand side. Gerber layer are done. After that, select generate drill files, which is right next to it. Now select PTH and NPTH in single files and then click generate drill file. Done. Close all the tabs. Then go to the Gerber viewer. Here you will be able to see if your Gerber files have been created correctly. Now you open Auto Detect Files and select your all Gerber files. Now you will be able to see if all your selected files have been generated correctly. That's it. All is okay. That was the Gerber file generation process. Thank you.